all six angels. And I would like to start with giving a word of thanks to the God Almighty itself for giving us such nice weather. We were actually worried last week and it was kind of very high humidity and we were like all sweating and we have no idea how to handle all this. But today it looks like we had a very pleasant weather. And in that order, I would like to say thank you to our Achan Sebastian Achan and Sunny Achan for, even though it was a hectic schedule like you mentioned, he gave us a very warm blessing. And we would like to thank you on behalf of all the six families. And next word of thanks goes to our choir team, Selviatan and Chechi and team for giving us a very nice songs, even though some of the requests were made in the last minute. We really highly appreciate that one. And I would like to say thanks to Anthony Chetan, Jimmy Chetan, Joe Chetan, Vijay Chetan and Swami Chetan for staying even late night, even on weekends to help us go through all the, giving the instructions. We have no idea, to be honest with you, like how everything was arranged. We could see that there is a lot of work behind a lot of things the way they are setting up. And next one is one of the major event that we noticed is the additional parking that we were able to do with the help of Jose Kalungachetan. As you have already seen, the streets were already booked by the city. It was kind of unknown, it was a completely unknown piece of information for us. So we were kind of blessed to have it arranged. So big credit goes to Jose Kalungachetan for arranging that. Then I would like to give special thanks to St. Joseph Workers team, Pankaj for helping with rearranging the supplies and all those things. Then the next gratitude goes to Nimmi Chechi, Asi Chechi, Jasmine Chechi and Krishna Chechi for helping the kids with the CCD and Holy Communion, prayers, preparation and all the practices. I know some of them were happening even during the late times, like even like 10:30, 11 o'clock. They were very dedicated and we appreciate for giving your personal time to our family. And regarding the photography, I would like to thank you to Shai Chetan, others, Vincent Chetan and Sharon for giving us some memories to keep and cherish with our family. Finally, I would like to say thanks to the food and decoration team. I know there was a lot of curiosity going on who are the people behind. So I would like to say thanks to Stebi and team for arranging the decoration and Paul, Radish and team for arranging the meals for us for today. And in case if I missed anybody, I would like to say thank you to the MCs and all the youth for giving us a lot of support. And thank you for giving us some last minute cultural programs. I know you all had programs. I know there is a lot of graduation ceremonies going on. I forgot one name, Sola Chechi, for giving us the flower piece and everything. And I know there is a lot of graduation parties going on. I know you had so many other events that you could have committed. But we decided to come and join with the family. You decided to join with our big memory for a long time. Once again, thank you and wish you all a very great weekend. In case if I miss somebody, I forgot to mention the name of Shaji Chetan, the trustees. George, he is already in our team. Then ushers. Joy Chetan is not here, but I saw Jose Chetan. Thank you for giving all the guidances, and I know some of them were like, it was kind of a bit late, but you kind of understood the situation and helped us to go through that. And in case by any mistake I missed someone, please accept my pardon. And once again, thank you so much for all the prayers. It was a little new for many of us. And so we would be always grateful for all the support and prayers given to us. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.
Thank you, Shubhanko, for those sincere words. Let me thank you for taking the time to thank everyone else. And now, what we've all been waiting for, lunch. Are we hungry? That was a rhetorical question. I know the answer is yes. Okay. So, we'll call it East Table by number to ensure everyone gets their meals smoothly. While you enjoy your lunch, feel free to take photos with the rest of the families.
നാവിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാമം, കാതിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാദം, കണ്ണിൽ ഈശോതൻ രൂപം, നെഞ്ചിൽ ഈശോതൻ സ്നേഹം, മനസ്സു നിറയെ നന്ദി മാത്രം. നാവിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാമം, കാതിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാദം, കണ്ണിൽ ഈശോതൻ രൂപം, നെഞ്ചിൽ ഈശോതൻ സ്നേഹം, മനസ്സു നിറയെ നന്ദി മാത്രം. നാവിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാമം. നീയൻ അരികിൽ വന്നു, ഉള്ളം തരളിതമായി, കാതിൽ ഇരുമൊഴി കേട്ടു, നീയൻ പൈതലല്ലേ, ആണിപ്പഴുതുള്ള കൈകളാൽ എന്നെ മാറോടു ചേർത്തണച്ചു. നാവിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാമം, കാതിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാദം, മഹിയും മഹിതാശകളും എന്നെ പുൽകിടുമ്പോൾ എന്നും നിൻഹിതമറിയാൻ ഹൃദയം പ്രാപ്തമാക്കൂ. എൻഹിതമല്ല തിരുഹിതമെന്നിൽ എന്നെന്നും നിറവേറണം. നാവിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാമം, കാതിൽ എന്നീശോതൻ നാദം, കണ്ണിൽ ഈശോതൻ രൂപം, നെഞ്ചിൽ തൻ സ്നേഹം മനസ്സു നിറയെ